Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we will learn diary entry writing. Diary entry writing is an important topic in writing part in CBSE. In class 8 and above, a question is asked about diary entry. Most probably it carries 6 to 8 marks. So watch the video carefully and understand how we can make a diary entry effectively. Let's see the basic acknowledgement of diary. Diary entry is an informal and personal form of writing. A diary entry can be based on personal experiences, daily happenings, or any important event of personal or public life. In diary entry, we can mention our personal experiences, our daily happenings, our feelings, our emotions, and our personal event of our life. Some great personalities keep diaries in which they record their daily happenings, personal experiences, and other important activities of their personal or public life. Great personalities keep diaries, and in their diary they record their daily happenings, their emotions, their experiences and event of their life, so that on the basis of their diary entry anyone can write a biography of that great personality. In short, a diary gives glimpses of the past incident of personal life. Let's see the important facts about diary entry. A diary is generally written at night. The tone of diary entry is informal or semi-formal. It's depending on the topic or matter included. Generally, a diary is written at night, but you can write it any time. But most probably, it is written at night. The language and tone of diary entry is formal. It is totally depends on the topic or matter. Express your feelings, opinions, and emotions of the topic given. In the diary entry, we can express our views, our emotions, our opinions, and feelings in the topic, under the topic. Personal pronouns can be used in diary entry. We can use personal pronoun like I, we, my, mine, or us. A diary entry can include your personal secrets, joys, sorrows, and fears. So it is totally depends upon you that you allow anybody to read your diary or not. A diary is your personal. It keeps your personal secrets, your joys, sorrows, feelings, fears, and emotions. So it is totally depend upon you that you can allow someone to read your diary or not. A diary doesn't need any formal heading. However, it is optional. If you want, you can give a suitable heading. There is no need of any formal heading or title to a diary entry. But if you want to give a heading or title to your diary entry, that you can give a suitable heading or title to your diary. Make your diary in the right format. We should write our diary in a proper format. Let's see the steps to write a diary entry. First, place is optional, but we should write it to make our diary effective. Day and date. After the place, we should write date and day of the diary entry. Then time. After the day or date, we should write the time of diary entry. Day and date, we can write on which we are writing a diary, or a particular date that is mentioned in the question we should write here. Then salutation. In salutation, we should write diary entry, because in diary entry we addressed to the diary body. In the content part, we should start a diary by describing the day, and after that we should come on the topic. Signature, name of writer. At the last we should write the name or signature of writer. If there is not given a name in the question, then we should write our own name at the end in left side. Let's see the format of diary entry. This is a proper format of diary entry. On the first heading or title, this is totally optional. If you want to write, then you can write, otherwise no need to write any title or heading in diary entry. Then place is also optional, but we should write it to make our diary entry effective. Then day and date. After the day and date, we should write time of diary entry. Then salutation. In salutation part, we are addressing the diary, so we greet the diary as dear diary. Then body or content part of the diary. Here we should write our emotions, our feelings, our views on the given topic. We can use personal tone or language in diary entry, and at the end we should write the name of writer, and if the name is not given in the question, that we can write our own name at the end. Let's see the sample question. First read the question. It was the happiest day of your life when the principal of your school informed you and your parents that you topped the list of successful candidates in your zone. Then started the endless ringing of telephone bells. Congratulatory messages started pouring in from friends and relatives. All the neighbors came to congratulate on your grand success. At the end of the day, you were so much overwhelmed by happiness and excitement that you made a diary entry of events on that fateful day. Reproduce that entry here, inventing your own details. This is the question, and most of the things are given in the question. On the basis of this question, we should make a diary entry. Let's see the answer. First of all, we should write the name of place, Bikaner, then date of diary entry, 15th June 2019, Monday, 8 p.m. Then salutation, dear diary, and then after that we will start a diary describing the day. Today is my happiest day of life. This is mentioned in the question that it was the happiest day of your life. Then we will change its pronoun and we can write, today is my happiest day of life. Life is full of surprises. I couldn't sleep the previous night because the next morning the result of board was to be announced. Today at 9 a.m. suddenly we heard a telephone ring. I ran to receive the phone. My principal was on the line. Congratulations, my boy or girl. You have topped the list of successful candidates in our zone. We are proud of you. He also congratulated my parents. After that, started the non-stop congratulatory message from my teachers, classmates, friends, and relatives. My parents were busy in distributing laddus. I felt like a celebrity. Two reporters of leading news channels came to interview me. I only felt that nothing succeeds like success, and I thanked my stars. Most of the part of answer is given in the question. Let's see the question again. That most of the line we can pick out from the question, that it was the happiest day of your life. We can write it, it was the happiest day of my life. And after that, some lines like, all the neighbors came to congratulate me on that day, and so many things like my principal congratulated me and my parents, and I topped the list of successful candidates. Then started the endless ringing of telephone bells. Congratulatory message started from my teachers, friends, relatives. You can pick out most of things from the question. So students, I think you understand how we can make a diary entry on the basis of the question. It is very important for examination. In exam, it is asked for 6 to 8 marks. So watch the video carefully and assure your 8 marks. Thank you. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel.